When it comes to protecting and personalizing your iPhone 16 Plus, the right case can make all the difference. As Apple's flagship model continues to push the boundaries of technology and design, finding a case that matches both its sleek aesthetics and its demanding functionality is essential. Whether you're looking for rugged protection, a touch of elegance, or something that reflects your unique style, there's a perfect case out there for you. In this guide, we'll explore the best iPhone 16 Plus cases available, highlighting options that cater to various needs and preferences. Number 1. Spigen Ultra. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid case offers a blend of style and protection that's hard to beat for anyone looking to showcase their phone's original design while keeping it safeguarded. Its crystal-clear transparency is a standout feature, allowing the phone's design to shine through without any obstructions. This is particularly appealing for those who have invested in a phone with a sleek or unique design and want to keep it visible. The case is designed with a slim profile, thanks to its combination of a flexible TPU bumper and a hard PC back. This design ensures that the case adds minimal bulk to the phone while still providing a robust level of protection. The TPU bumper is soft and slightly flexible, which helps absorb impacts, while the PC back provides a sturdy shield against scratches and drops. One of the most notable aspects of the Ultra Hybrid case is its air cushion technology, which is strategically placed in all four corners of the case. This technology enhances shock absorption, effectively reducing the impact from drops and bumps. It's a thoughtful addition that adds an extra layer of confidence when handling your phone. Number 2. CASEOLOGY. The CASEOLOGY Parallax case stands out with its unique 3D hexacube pattern, combining ergonomic design with a touch of flair. The hexagonal pattern not only enhances comfort in hand but also adds a distinctive and modern aesthetic. This design element helps the case make a statement, setting it apart from more conventional options. One of the most impressive features of the Parallax case is its superior grip. The all-grip pattern on the sides ensures that the case feels secure in your hand, reducing the likelihood of accidental drops. The innovative point waist deco bar design enhances both style and functionality, contributing to a case that is as protective as it is visually striking. Protection is a key focus for this case. It boasts military-grade drop protection, thanks to the combination of a front lip and rear camera guard that shield your phone's display and camera from damage. The case is also fortified with airspace technology in all four corners, which helps absorb shocks and impacts effectively, ensuring your device remains safe during drops. For users who rely on MagSafe accessories, the Parallax case delivers. It includes a PU pad that covers the interior to prevent detachment of the MagSafe magnets. Number 3. ESR. The ESR magnetic case for the iPhone 16 Plus combines practical functionality with robust protection, making it a versatile choice for users who want both convenience and durability. This case is specifically designed for the iPhone 16 Plus, ensuring a precise fit and optimal functionality. One of the standout features of this case is its fully adjustable flickstand. This clever addition provides hands-free viewing by allowing you to adjust the stand to various angles, which is ideal for FaceTiming, browsing, or watching videos. The flickstand is constructed from premium aluminum alloy, and the hinge is lab-tested to endure over 3,000 uses. This durability ensures that the stand remains reliable and functional over the long term. The ESR magnetic case also excels in the realm of magnetic technology. With a powerful built-in magnetic system that offers a holding force of 1,500 G, this case provides a secure connection for MagSafe accessories. The strong magnetic lock facilitates faster and easier wireless charging, ensuring a hassle-free experience. When it comes to protection, this case doesn't disappoint. It features military-grade protection with shock-absorbing air guard corners that shield your phone from drops and bumps. Number 4. TOCOL. The TOCOL magnetic case for the iPhone 16 Plus offers a robust combination of advanced features designed to enhance both functionality and protection for your device. Here's a closer look at what makes this case stand out. Upgraded magnetic charging. One of the highlights of the TOCOL magnetic case is its improved magnetic charging capability. This case is tailored specifically for the iPhone 16 Plus, featuring enhanced magnetic power with 18N suction, 125% stronger than factory standards. This upgrade ensures a more stable connection with all magnetic chargers, making wireless charging faster and more reliable. Even on bumpy roads or in less than ideal conditions, the magnetic connection remains secure. Military-grade drop protection. For those concerned about durability, the TOCOL case offers exceptional drop protection. Constructed with a 4-layer cushioning structure and TPU material, it features a 360 degrees airbag design that can absorb impacts from drops of up to 16 feet. This advanced protection helps prevent damage from falls and scratches, giving users peace of mind. Enhanced camera protection. The case also includes a thoughtfully designed camera cover that is integrated into the case itself, rather than being a separate piece. Number 5. Temdan. The Temdan case for the iPhone 16 Plus offers a balanced mix of style, protection, and functionality, making it a solid choice for users who want to keep their device safe without compromising on aesthetics. Here's a detailed look at what this case has to offer. Compatibility and design. Specifically crafted for the iPhone 16 Plus 6.7-inch model released in 2024, this case features precise cutouts that ensure easy access to all buttons, speaker ports, and charger slots. The accuracy of these cutouts reflects the case's attention to detail, allowing for seamless use of your phone's features without any hassle. Strong magnetic compatibility. The Temdan case is fully compatible with MagSafe and other wireless chargers. It is equipped with strong built-in magnets that provide a secure fit, enabling a reliable connection to magnetic mounts and accessories. This feature is particularly convenient for users who frequently use wireless charging and magnetic accessories, as it eliminates the need to remove the case. Effective protection. Protection is a key focus of this case. The 1.5mm raised bezels around the screen and the 2.5mm raised camera edges offer enhanced protection against scratches and impacts. Number 6. ESR MagSafe case. The ESR MagSafe case for the iPhone 16 Plus is a high-quality accessory that blends robust protection with sleek design, making it a compelling option for users looking to safeguard their device while showcasing its original beauty. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features, compatibility and design. Tailored exclusively for the iPhone 16 Plus, this case ensures full functionality with precise cutouts for speakers, ports, and easy-press buttons. The exacting design allows users to access all phone features effortlessly without removing the case, maintaining the phone's usability. Stronger magnetic lock. The case is equipped with powerful built-in magnets boasting up 1,500 G holding force. This enhancement facilitates faster and more reliable wireless charging, as well as a secure connection with MagSafe accessories. The strong magnetic lock ensures that the phone stays firmly in place during charging and while using magnetic mounts. Military-grade drop protection. Protection is a key strength of this case. It has been rigorously tested to offer comprehensive protection on all sides of the device. Number 7. FNTCASE. The FNTCASE Armor Rugged Defender case for the iPhone 16 Plus is a robust, heavy-duty case designed to offer comprehensive protection and convenience. Here's a detailed look at its key features, compatibility and design. Specifically designed for the iPhone 16 Plus 6.7-inch, released in 2024, this case ensures precise cutouts that provide full access to all ports and buttons. This attention to detail allows users to operate their phone seamlessly without having to remove the case. Built-in kickstand. One of the standout features is the built-in kickstand, which supports both vertical and horizontal viewing angles. This is particularly useful for hands-free activities such as reading, watching movies, playing games, browsing the web, or video chatting. The versatile stand enhances the user experience by providing convenient portrait and landscape modes. Built-in screen protector. The case includes a clear screen protector that maintains sensitive touch performance while guarding against accidental scratches. Raised bezels help protect the screen when the phone is placed face down. Notably, the case comes with two frame options, one with the built-in film and another that allows you to attach your own tempered glass protector, offering flexibility based on user preference. Number 8. Spigen Liquid Air Case. The Spigen Liquid Air Case offers a stylish yet functional solution for those looking to protect their iPhone while maintaining a sleek profile. Here's a comprehensive look at what makes this case a standout choice. Design and material. The Liquid Air case features a sleek, modern design crafted from flexible TPU. This material not only enhances the case's overall look but also provides a comfortable, secure grip. The TPU's flexibility ensures that the case fits snugly around the phone while allowing for easy installation and removal. Shock absorption. One of the key protective features of the Liquid Air case is its spider web inner engraving. This design element helps to distribute and absorb shocks, reducing the impact on your phone during accidental drops. Combined with air cushion technology located in all four corners, the case offers robust shock absorption, effectively safeguarding your device from various types of impacts. Screen and camera protection. The case includes raised bezels around both the screen and camera to provide extra protection when your phone is placed on flat surfaces. In conclusion, choosing the best case for your iPhone 16 Plus involves balancing protection, style, and functionality. Whether you prioritize rugged durability, sleek design, or added features like card holders, there's a case out there to suit your needs. The top contenders in the market offer a range of options, from military-grade protection to elegant leather finishes, ensuring your iPhone 16 Plus is safeguarded while reflecting your personal style. Investing in a high-quality case not only enhances the lifespan of your device, but also contributes to a more enjoyable and secure user experience.